everyone, good morning. It's Sunny and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I have come up with a great video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a common problem that you also might be getting while your journey of spoken English. But yes, if you are one of them who is getting this problem, like I'm able to understand English, but when it comes to speak it, I get stuck, my mind gets blank, and yes, a lot of things start bothering me, and sometimes I start having frustration. So yes, it is the biggest problem that I have ever got in many people, and many people come to me and say like, Sunny, I'm able to understand English, but when it comes to speak it, then I get stuck. Like these are like a lot of things start bothering me. So if you are one of them who is also getting this problem, definitely watch this video till the end, because you are gonna get good consequence of watching this video. And if you start working on it and keep on working for a very long time, definitely you are gonna get a good consequence of doing that thing whatever I'm going to tell you in this video. And yes, you will be able to eradicate that problem from your life for forever. So yes, please watch this video till the end, and without any further ado, let's jump into the video and see what is the core part of this video. Right, so when you are watching any content, like watching any sort of stories and conversation, then you are able to understand. And have you ever thought about that, why you are able to understand things? Because you might be watching gesture and you might be observing the situation. That's why you are able to understand things very easily. What if you start focusing on the subtitle that are being used? And yes, like in subtitle there are many words and sentences are being used in the conversation, in the short stories, whatever you are watching, then you will feel the things and the sentences, the structure are being used. I don't know about that. And yes, after like watching this video, if somebody say to me to speak and to narrate the same story that I watched in any conversation, in any short stories, whatever you were watching, then you will not be able to describe about that stories by using those grammar, those things that were being used when you were watching the conversation, the short stories. So have you ever thought deeply about that, why you are not able to do same thing and narrate a story which is you watched? Because you have lack of knowledge, you have lack of sentences, lack of grammar structure. That's why you are not able to understand, and this is the root cause of the problem that you are having. I'm able to understand English, but when it comes to speak, I can't speak. And yes, many times in my many videos I have told many times, like, why not are you focusing on grammar, why not are you focusing on base, which is being used in every conversation? And once you focus on grammar and once you inculcate some basic grammar, then you will be able to understand every single thing, and you will be able to make sentences, structure sentences by yourself. So this is the thing that you have lack of. And yes, if you work on it, definitely you are gonna get all the things whatever you are watching, and yes, you will be able to even describe, narrate the same stories that you were watching, and the sentences, the words is being used in any conversation. Definitely you can just I would say you can just describe that thing by yourself. So please do it. First, grammar, learn grammar. Like, I'm not saying that learn every nooks and corner of grammar, just go into the deep of grammar. Never, I have never told you that learn every single thing of grammar. It is not needed. And yes, the thing which is really need, that is basic grammar. And yes, once you complete basic grammar, you start conversation, start copying things by watching any content, whatever content you like to watch. And yes, whatever thing you are getting new, just try to inculcate, try to replicate that in your conversation, in your practice, and then only you will be able to eradicate this problem. And yes, these are the things, and this is the process. And yes, process always takes time, and if you are unpatient, then you will have to become patient. Yes, because if you are not if you are not a kind of person who can keep patience while journey of spoken English, definitely you are not gonna become fluent at it, because it is the thing and it is the language. So yes, for becoming perfect into any language, you will have to put your efforts, and you will have to do a lot of activities even for becoming fluent at English. So yes, this is the thing that you have to do. And yes, it is the very significant thing that I told you. First learn grammar and then start watching things. And yes, once you complete grammar and start watching things, then you will be able to understand every single thing, and whatever things and sentences will be used while watching conversation, definitely you will be able to understand every single thing, and you will be able to understand even in which state the sentences, the word are being used, and that's how you can replicate that word in your conversation and in your practice, and you can just I would say get good command over that a particular sentence in a structure that you are watching in any conversation, in any short stories, podcast, whatever you like to watch. So yes, this is the thing that I wanted to tell you, and it is all about this video, and let's meet in another videos. Till then, bye bye guys, and have a good day.